Bathrooms are becoming one of the most over-designed spaces in modern homes. And honestly, some of these trends people are spending thousands of dollars on right now are going to feel painfully outdated very soon. Please do not misunderstand me. It's not because they're ugly today. By the way, no one can decide the design is ugly or beautiful, since it's subjective. But because most bathroom trends are designed for social media impact instead of long term living. They photograph well, they go viral, they look luxury for 5 minutes online. But in real life, they become exhausting, difficult to maintain, visually heavy, or simply embarrassing after the trend dies. And the scary part is, bathrooms are expensive to renovate. You can't casually replace tiles, plumbing, vanities, or lighting. And of course, waterproofing every year. Because TikTok changed aesthetics again. So, this is the funny part. That's why today we are talking about the bathroom trends you should seriously avoid before renovating your home. And trust me, some of these are everywhere right now. Oh, say hi, say hi, say hi, say hi. Be silent, okay? I am recording, Bobby. Go. So, if you are ready, let's dive in. Number one, huge freestanding bathtubs nobody uses. The first one, actually more controversial one. Freestanding tubs can look stunning, for sure, but many people install giant bathtubs purely for visual impact, not because they actually enjoy baths. And eventually, the tub becomes an expensive sculpture collecting dust. Meanwhile, it consumes valuable space, complicates cleaning, and dominates the room visually. Before installing dramatic bathtub, ask yourself, will this improve my daily life? Or am I copying a luxury trend? That question matters more than people think. Only one thing I can admit about bathtubs: using them with your kids, throwing in a fancy bubbling soap, and watching their fascinated little faces. It's absolutely priceless. Meanwhile, the bathroom turns into complete chaos. The floor is soaked, and somehow there is water on the ceilings. But honestly, those little moments are better than any luxury design detail in the house. Number 2. Open showers with no practical planning. Open walk-in showers looks beautiful online until water starts going everywhere. This is one of the biggest examples of aesthetics defeating functionality. People copy luxury spa bathrooms without understanding the practical side. Poor drainage, no splash protection, and cold air entering the shower space. And suddenly, the bathroom becomes annoying to use every single day. A bathroom should support comfort first, not just visual minimalism. And please always remember that. Beautiful design that creates daily frustration, unfortunately, is bad design. Number 3. All white bathrooms. For years, people believed all white bathrooms looked luxurious. White walls, white tiles, white vanities, white countertop, and eventually white floors. Everything looked clean and minimal. But honestly, most all white bathrooms end up feeling cold, flat, and emotionally lifeless. And even worse, unfortunately, they age badly. Because once trends move away from ultra minimalism, these bathrooms instantly starts feeling sterile and dated. No timeless, I mean sterile. Also, white bathrooms are incredibly unforgiving. Every stain shows, every watermark shows, every hair shows. Unfortunately, every shadows becomes visible. Instead of creating relaxation, they often create stress. Luxury bathrooms today are moving toward warm as stone, textured materials, soft earthy tones, natural wood, and layered lighting. Bathrooms should feel calming, not clinical. Number 4. Tiny floating vanities. Floating vanities become popular because they make bathrooms appear visually lighter. And yes, sometimes they work beautifully. But now, people are taking the trend too far. Tiny floating vanities with almost no storage, tiny sink, and tiny counters. Unfortunately, cause no practicality. Everything looks elegant only for photos, but terrible for real life. And you should always ask yourself, where do towels go, cleaning products, and daily essentials? You should have storage for all of those. A bathroom without proper storage becomes chaotic incredibly fast, and chaos destroys luxury immediately. Good design is not only about appearance, it's about supporting your routines effortlessly. Number 5. Overly trendy LED lighting. Bathrooms today are starting to look like a futuristic nightclubs. LED strips under mirrors, LED strips under vanities, LED strips behind ceilings, and RGB lighting everywhere. And honestly, most of it will feel extremely dated very quickly, especially on color lighting. Good bathroom lighting should feel soft, flattering, and calming, not aggressive. Warm, layered lighting always ages better than trendy lighting because trends move fast. Comfort doesn't. Number 6. Fake marble everywhere. This trend exploded. People started covering entire bathrooms with glossy, fake marble surfaces, trying to imitate luxury hotel aesthetics. And believe me, some of it already feels outdated, especially the overly dramatic high contrast fake marble with aggressive grade veining everywhere. Because when every surface screams for attention, the bathroom loses sophistication. As I am always saying, luxury is subtle, and fake marble often feels like the design is trying too hard to impress people. Also, many cheap marble look materials quickly reveal themselves over time. The printing looks repetitive, the texture feels artificial, the shine feels plastic. Instead of covering every surface with fake marble, please balance materials. Stone, matte finishes, warm textures, and natural elements. Believe me, those combinations age much better. Number 7. Black fixtures everywhere. Matte black fixtures exploded in popularity, and at first they felt modern and dramatic. But now they are becoming overused, and honestly, many cheap black fixtures age terribly. Watermarks show constantly, scratches become visible, and finishes wear unevenly. And when combined with all white bathrooms, the contrast often feels harsh and trendy instead of timeless. This doesn't mean black fixtures are always bad, but using them everywhere blindly because social media told you, then it's a mistake. Always bear in mind, timeless bathrooms usually avoid extreme contrast overload. Number 8. Overdecorated spa bathrooms. People are trying too hard to make bathrooms feel luxuries now. Candles everywhere, artificial plants everywhere, decor trays, fake spa styling everywhere. And suddenly, the bathroom starts feeling staged instead of relaxing. Luxury bathrooms are calm, minimal, intentional, and balanced, not overloaded with decorative objects fighting for attention. Remember, the more visual noise you create, the less peaceful the bathroom feels. And bathrooms should feel peacefully. Number 9. Trendy statement tiles. Some tiles look exciting for 6 months, then become unbearable. Overly trendy geometric patterns, ultra bold terrazzo, extreme textures, highly specific colors. These trends age fast because tiles are permanent. And what feels exciting today can feel visually exhausting very quickly. Bathrooms should not depend entirely on trends for personality. Instead, keep permanent materials relatively timeless. Then add personality through easier to change elements like mirrors, lighting, textiles, accessories, and artwork. That approach aids far better. Number 10. Designing bathrooms only for social media. This is the biggest mistake of all. People are designing bathrooms to impress strangers online. Unfortunately, not to improve daily life. And honestly, you can feel it immediately. Bathrooms that look dramatic but have terrible lighting. Beautiful sinks with no counter space. Luxury materials but zero warmth. Everything optimized for aesthetics. Unfortunately, not for comfort. But true luxury has never been about performance. It's about experience. The best bathrooms are the ones that make mornings calmer, evening more relaxing, and daily routines more easier. That emotional feeling matters more than trends ever will. At the end of the day, bathroom design should not be about chasing what's viral this year, because trends move fast. But renovations are expensive. And honestly, the bathrooms people love long term are usually not the trendiest one. They are the most balanced one. Warm lighting, natural materials, good storage, comfortable layouts, and timeless textures. That combination always wins. Because real luxury is not about impressing people for 5 seconds online. It's about creating spaces that still feel beautiful years later. So, before copying another bathroom trend from social media, ask yourself one simple question. Will this still feel good in 5 years? That question alone can save you thousands of dollars and a massive amount of regret. So, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the Designerist for more interior design truths that actually change how your home feels. And now, I want to hear from you. Which bathroom trends do you think will age the worst? Is it all white bathrooms, black fixtures, fake marble, or open showers? Or maybe something even worse? Let me know in the comments below and see you on the next video. Until then, please stay safe.